Today, I'm going to show you how to create Elixir to Induce Euphoria. The things we'll need to create our Elixir to Induce Euphoria is one glass bottle, and I'm using a 250 milliliter stopper bottle. We will need some alcohol-free styling gel, as well as a piping bag, spoon, and container to mix it in. We will need some jute twine and scissors. We're also going to use the Folk Art Color Shift acrylic paint, and I'm using orange flash and yellow flash. I will also be using some needle nose pliers and some rainbow charms and a rainbow chain. And we will need our label printed on sticker paper. And the link for this is in the description down below. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take our piping bag, and I have just stretched it over a glass container, and I'm going to fill it with our alcohol-free styling gel, and then I'm going to add a decent amount of the yellow color shift paint, and then just a tiny bit of the orange color shift paint, because when the Elixir to Induce Euphoria is brewed correctly, it is sunshine yellow and emits rainbows. So I really like the color shift paint for this because it does have the mica powder in there. It's going to throw some different colors besides just the sunshine yellow, so it will almost give the illusion of it throwing some rainbows. And once we get everything mixed, we get this really great sunshine shimmery yellow potion mixture. Okay, so now I have my piping bag filled with our potion we just mixed, and I'm just going to snip the end off. Now that my bottle is filled, I'm going to place my stopper on here, and then if you give your stopper a little bit of a turn, it kind of helps lock it in. If this potion is going to be around children, by all means glue the stopper on. I'm going to just leave mine like that. The next thing we're going to do is take our jute twine, and we are going to wrap the neck of our bottle. And we're going to do that the same way we've done so many of our potions before, and that's just to make that U, encapsulate the U with our other string, make a couple wraps, and then we can pull the bottom of the loop up and continue to wrap the neck of our bottle. And once it gets to the top, we can cut our string and put it through the loop. And then pull down on the bottom of our loop. And just keep pulling everything tight, and then that will pull the knot behind our thread. And we just trim it flush. Now that our neck of our bottle is wrapped, I'm going to take my rainbow chain, and again, this is optional, but I'm actually kind of measuring it out, and I'm going to wrap it around the neck up here, and I kind of want it to hang just a little, and I'm going to make the ends uneven so that I can attach my little teardrops to the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with my needle nose pliers. Okay, and I didn't use any extra jump rings or anything. I literally just opened up a couple of these loops and put them in, and then re-squeezed it with my pliers, and I put this one on the same way I put this one on. So yeah, and then that way it gives us a little bit of a rainbowy effect on there, since it's supposed to emit rainbows when it's brewed properly, and I thought that might be a nice little touch to this bottle. And the last thing we're going to do is take our label printed on sticker paper, and we're just going to place it on our bottle. This one's pretty simple. So once we get our label on, there you have it, our elixir to induce euphoria. This potion induces intense excitement and happiness, which I think we all could use a little bit of right now. But just be careful, it does have a few side effects. It may cause excessive singing and nose tweaking. But don't worry, I added just a little bit of peppermint to help relieve those side effects. This was the potion that Harry created in Half-Blood Prince to amuse Slughorn and have him potentially be so happy that he would divulge his secrets about Voldemort. This will be a great addition to our potion prop collection of making along the way. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.